Energy. So those are just crates that you can destroy. Okay. I thought it was like Zelda where you got to push the box. Ah, it's much simpler. Just shoot it. Do I go up? Whoa. Oh my. Oh, I really hate these bees, man. I don't like wasps in like real life, let alone digital wasps. They're just so unpleasant. How they buzz and threaten you like that. Oh, 99. I can't reach those? Oh wait, I got a hook, right? Oh no, I don't have that grappling hook anymore. Dang it. Dang it. So I can open this door now? Okay, so cross down. Whoa, we are going places. We are going places. What is this? Map. You have downloaded the map for this area. Press 1 to access the map. When you're finished, press 1 again to resume play. Oh, so this is where I am? So zoom out, man. Oh, wow. How does this work? The world map, press A. Oh my gosh, there's different levels? Oh, wow. This is the ruined nursery. So what does orange mean? E is elevator, missile, recharge, save station. Rotate. So the orange must mean where I've already been, and blue is unexplored, I'm guessing. Wow. Okay, let's keep going then. Look at the texture graphics. Good job, GameCube. Is that where I came from? I'm lost again. Yeah, I came through here. I need the ball so I can go in there. I don't need to go up there. I need to go up there. Oh, that's not the jump button. Do 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 do. I think I need to get the new one, because I am really enjoying this. I think I watched, like, I didn't watch the whole thing, but I was just Googling on YouTube, and it, like, people beat this in like 4 hours. What? 100% it? It's probably gonna take me like 40 hours the way I play. What is this green stuff? Oh yeah, the map. How do you... No, that's that one. How do I see the map again? Oh wow. Options. Screen brightness. Whoa, look at all this stuff. Visor. Cool. Let's get out of here. I wanted the map though. So I haven't explored. There's a room over here I haven't explored. Let's go there. Oh, probably because I don't have the ball. I'm not afraid of you. But you are irritating. Oh. I'm not afraid. I wonder if I could jump up. What's up here, though? Oh, found something new. This is that unexplored room. Why is the music scary all of a sudden? Yes! Let us save. The game is saved. Energy is fully replenished. So do I have 200 now? Zapping me. So I have 99 plus I guess that little dot is like another 99? I still haven't found the ball. The ball. What? Alright, he's toast. What? How rude. Sounds in this game, jeez. What is happening right now? Out of the way, cockroach. Wow, they took off 10 energies? 10 energies? Why are there so many of these beetles? Alright. I need to get to that just because. Where's my rocket fuel? I need my double jump. Get out of here, you peasant. Alright, I gotta figure. Okay, map. Those look like little ball things. I can't go up there because I don't have my rocket shoes or whatever I'm supposed to have. I've been through here? Been through here, right? 1. Yes. Turn around, boy. There's another door over here. What about a rocket? Come on! I have rockets. What can I use the rockets to do? Maybe this thing will fall down? Oh, I don't know what to do. Okay, so that area is blocked off. I need a... How do I get up there? Alright, let's go check out those 2 areas. Excuse me. Coming through, buddies. How rude. Oh, rockets. So these guys will give me... Okay. I don't have to be afraid to waste resource. Man, they're irritating. Yeah, I haven't been through that door yet. Alright. Rocket time. This is new! Oh, this game is exciting. Jeez. What? I think I got injured from that encounter. Man, these things are dangerous. What? What's killing me? Oh, you know the feeling I get from this game? When I first played Tomb Raider. Remember the very first Tomb Raider from the first one?